I think again, one of the really exciting things that are happening in a small scale in this country is that producers and consumers are networking with one another. In Minneapolis, Minnesota, just down the road from us, there is a organization called the Minnesota Food Association, which consists of urban dwellers and farmers who get together around the issue of food. And some very exciting things happening out of that. There's a very natural connection there. One of the people who's in a leadership position in that organization says that one of the reasons that natural connection is there is because people in the city are still close enough to their agricultural roots that they want to be in touch with that. And he said, the way he puts it is that they don't want to get their hands dirty, but they want to shake the hands of someone that does. But I think those dialogues need to happen across this country, because in the last analysis, whether or not farmers survive in our society in any numbers is not a as far as farmers are concerned, is not a big issue. I mean, nobody guarantees anybody any particular kind of career. But if we move to a point where we have all of the food production systems concentrated in the hands of very few people, then consumers lose control of the food on their tables, and that's an issue that should concern all of us.
And does. I recently read a reference to organic farmers and organic non-farmers, and I had not heard the phrase organic non-farmer, and I thought, what do they mean by that? But they meant exactly what you're talking about, people who want that kind of food but aren't involved directly in raising it.
Yeah, as a matter of fact, there are little new business relationships taking place in various places in the country. It's not any big movement, but it's happening here and there, and that is where a group of urban people will adopt a farm. And they actually make a commitment in the form of writing out a check to the farmer for a percentage of food that they will buy from the farm. And if the farmer happens to have a crop failure, they take the loss together with the farmer. And if the farmer has a big success, then they get extra bonuses in food beyond what they bought and share in the profits. And those are some interesting ideas, some interesting concepts that that I think are very intriguing and point to a new kind of future that's very hopeful.